Hello, welcome to my bar. I'm Bluntz. Today, we're gonna be reformatting the show a little bit, but I'm gonna be making a really simple drink. It's a whiskey-based cocktail. I'm gonna be using bourbon today. It's called a Sazerac. So sit back, relax, take some notes if you want to, and enjoy this episode of Mo Drinks. So today's cocktail we're going to be making in a rocks glass. So the first step to the Sazerac is I'm going to be taking just regular old absinthe or Pernod or some sort of anise flavored drink. And we're just going to be doing about 1/4 of an ounce, which is a 1 count. And we're going to rinse the glass with the absinthe. Let's get that started. So I'm just gonna do a 1 count. 1. Rinse that glass. Oh heck yeah. You're supposed to discard this. This is my home bar though, so this is what I'm gonna do. So now that I've got my absinthe rinsed glass, I'm gonna take my bourbon, which is my primary spirit today. The bourbon that I'm using today is St. Paul Straight Bourbon Whiskey from Panther MN here in Minnesota. I'm gonna be doing 1.5 ounces of bourbon. That's gonna be a 6 count, so pay attention. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Easy peasy. I've got some lemons here. I'm gonna peel my lemon for my garnish. Twist it up just a little bit. You can see if I go in real close here, you can see those dots there. That means you got enough juice in that lemon to get into your drink. And I'm just gonna squeeze it around the lip of my drink here. Twist it up, drop it in. There it goes. Boom. Last step, I'm gonna finish with some bitters. And we've used this on the show before. Dram Apothecary. I'm using the regular old black bitters. I'm gonna be doing about 2 drops. I'm just gonna take my spoon, stir it up a touch. And there we have a real simple Sazerac made right in the glass. On the nose, all I get is my absinthe and my lemon. I can't smell any bourbon. It smells fantastic. Let's try it. It's a sipper, and it's meant to be a sipper. And honestly, it's all booze, but it doesn't really taste that boozy. It tastes more like juice. Very well balanced cocktail, not too heavy, not too crazy. Still tastes like the cocktail. Thanks for joining me today. I'm Mo Bluntz. Please hit like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Join me next time on the next episode of Mo Drinks. Cheers.